Okay, we'll use this example of 49 times 87, and we'll use the strategy of using place value. So, when we're using place value, what do we know about 49 and 87? Claire? Yeah, but in 49, in 49, how do we differentiate what the place value of each of the digits are? Juliana? Think place value. We're thinking place value now. Riley? 449. Yes. So what's the place value for 4? All of you?
10.
And 9?
1.
So therefore, if I split this and if I want to write that down into their place values, what would I write 4 as?
40.
40 and 87 would be?
87.
And 7. Okay? So it's 40 and 9 and 80 and 7. So what we do is we take each of those numbers in each of those place values and multiply by all the other numbers that we have split 49 and 87 into. Which means, and this is something that people had done last term in the exam, which means what we do is we have 40, so we take 40, multiply that by 80, and then we take 40, multiply that by 7, exactly. Then we do the same with the 9, multiply that by 80, and then 9, multiply that by 7. Okay. Now, because 40 and 80, they are our friendly numbers. They've got zeros at the end. So all we need to do is multiply 4 and 8, which is 32, and add the 2 zeros. Plus 4 times 7 is 28. 28, add the 0. 9 times 8 is
77.
Add the 0, and 9 times 7 is 63. Now, thank you. I'm going to take you back to the long multiplication and see. See when we did 9 times 7 and we got 63, which was over here. So we wrote the 3, carry on the 6.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And then we also did 7 times 40, which was over here. 7 times 4 over there. 4 is actually 40. So we're doing the same steps, but it's broken down like that. And then what we do is we just add all of them together. And if we add all of them together, we can either do long addition on the side. It's up to you. So we do long addition, 3,200 plus 280 plus 720 plus 63. And if you add all of that, we'll have, so right from the ones, and that gives us 16, carry 1, and 12, 2, carry 1, and 4. And we see we get the same answer, which is 4,263. Good?
Yes.
Okay, so to do long multiplication, which is slightly tricky, so you need to listen very carefully. We do the same process. We take each digit of the second number and multiply them by the first number. And each digit is taken from their place values, starting with the ones. So we do 8 times 5, which is, 8 5s are 40. We write the 0, carry the 4. So think in your mind that 5 times 8 is equal to 40. We only write the ones, and the 4 is carried. Make sense? Yes? Okay. And then we do the next step, which is 8 times 6. And 8 times 6 is 48. But then we carried the 4, so we need to add that to the 48, which gives us
52.
And 52 goes over there. For the next, so we've done the 8. Now we need to look at 4, which actually, it's not 4, it's 40. Because 4 is in the tens place value, when we start multiplying, the answer starts in the tens place value space. So what is 4 times 5? 20. So you write the 0, add the 2. Notice how we've got 2 in a different spot so that we don't confuse with the 4. Okay? So we know that this 2 over here is for this 4. Alright. Then 4 times 6 is 24. What do we do with the 2? Add it to the 24, which is 26. There's a gap in the 1 space which is filled by a 0. And then we add them up. 0 and then 2, 1 carry 1 and 3.